Okay. We're unloading the finished ground inserts manually. We are locating the next insert on the locator. It's clamped in position, and the machine's ready to cycle start. You're not going to see much going on because the water. Normally you have a door in front that will protect the operator from splash as you see the water coming out.
Anything?
That's good. You can give a little more water. We're trying to cut the water flow down to show the actual insert being ground. It is important to use a lot of water to keep the diamond wheel and the insert cool. But this is the total operation of what the machine is doing, and it's doing it automatically after the operator loads the part. We're on the second side. We go to the third side. And if this were a triangle, it would do the same, except 3 times instead of 4. Octagons and pentagons and triangles and rectangles all follow the same principle. After it grinds the 4th side, it'll go back onto the wheel and swings the radius. This is the 4th side. If you notice, after the insert goes across the face of the wheel one time, it goes back and does a little wipe to give you a good finish. That's the wipe cycle. Now she goes into the swing radius, and it'll swing it 4 times, possibly 8. This insert is programmed to do 8 swings. Or 16. Insert is complete. The operator comes back and unclamps the part. This represents a modest grind shop. We have several machines in line. These are different style machines, and hopefully when the rep comes to visit us, we can explain all types of insert grinders. This facility is in a 30 by 50 building. It has one of our brush homes here. And these brush homes have 3 pots on it. We'll try and load these pots. And basically these are set up to hone round parts, sometimes in ceramic inserts. And just rope the part The part rotates onto the wheel, and then we will swing the brush over the top, and we have a regular grind cycle in minutes. And when it's done, wheel will stop. The inserts are properly honed. And that represents our PalFam honing machine. We have another K-line grinder here that's not set up, and several more Wit-O-Matic grinders. This one's in operation. It's grinding a different style tool. It has a hole in it, but we're loading these 2 at a time. And it'll run similar to the last job with a different cam on it. The machine is in operation. And with all the equipment we have here, one person runs this whole shop, sometimes with a helper. Here's another job here. This one's a little bit of a special job. And what this machine grinds is the top bottom. It would be the V-bottom insert. This is what we consider a special insert. It's too dark to see inside. But mainly, these are machines that are sold to small companies, very small companies. Sometimes the entrepreneur starts out with one machine. After a year or two, he buys a second, he buys 3, he buys 4. This company here has been in business 30, 35 years about, and has accumulated a fair amount of equipment. This is a Blanchard that will grind your top bottom of flat inserts. It's a common tool room grinder, and it's utilized for grinding carbide.